morning. This is Yashasvini Razdan reporting for EE Times, and today I'm here at Electronica in Bangalore with Mr. Rea Callender, who's the Vice President of Global Education for Altium, a Renesas company. So, hi Ray, thanks a lot for joining me here.
Hi, thank you very much for having me.
So, can you tell me what is new with Altium? What are you doing with respect to global education initiatives?
Yes, well, what's really exciting is Renaissance and Altium. We want to support the next generation of electronics designers. And we do that by offering them our free tools and then also curriculum.
Okay.
So our goal is to help universities help students become industry ready.
Okay.
So we provide students with Altium Designer, our platform, Quick Connect Studio, and also Quick Connect kits. Yeah, we provide students with curriculum that teaches them all aspects of electronic product design. So embedded systems plus PCB design, all aspects of electronic product design. So these students, when they enter the workforce, they'll have had that experience. So it really helps students be industry ready and be job ready.
That's pretty cool. And all of this is for free?
Yes, it's all for free in India. It is all for free.
Okay.
Now we have our kits are not for free, but the Altium Designer software is all for free. The Altium platform is all for free, and Quick Connect Studio is all for free.
And how, when you talk about curriculum,
Yeah.
is there any sort of training provided to, navigate through this curriculum? Any sort of teacher upskilling initiatives for the teachers?
Yes, absolutely. We have something called the Educator Center,
Okay.
and we provide all the tools that I've been talking about to professors and the curriculum, and we train them on our tools and we train them on our curriculum. So they can then help train the students on it all as well.
And how does Altium benefit out of this?
We benefit because, one, we really do want to help create industry-ready students. We want to help grow electronics in India.
What level in the university are you going to engage with these students? Will these be first-year students?
They're
Or
usually, they could be any year students. We engage with the students in electrical engineering or the like degrees, but also with all the teams, the robotics teams, all the student teams. We support their efforts as well. And so it's all the years. A lot of times it's third and fourth year though,
Okay.
students that we're dealing with. Yeah.
And have you seen any outcome or result? How long has this has it been since this initiative started?
Yeah, we've been in India for probably 3 or 4 years. Globally, we're in about 1,200 universities around the world, and here in India, we're in about 180 universities already. But we are seeing that students who've gone through our programs are getting jobs. They're getting jobs and they're getting internships.
Okay.
And that's our number one goal. We're very passionate about helping the students go out there and get jobs. And it's great. It's also great for our customers who are hiring these students because they're trained already. Customers oftentimes have to train students on how to create an electronic product. These students already know it. So it's serious time savings for them as well.
That's actually excellent because the trajectory that currently India is right now on, we need more international players, global education initiatives,
Yes.
global industry spokespersons coming to India,
Yeah.
engaging with our talent
Right.
and helping them grow. Do you see anything, any sort of outcome or any use cases that you could tell us where this initiative has shown some sort of result?
I think that the big result that we're seeing is that students are getting trained and they are getting internships. That would be the big result that we have currently. And that's our number one goal. We want these students out there getting jobs, right, and trained.
Will they also intern with Altium?
We also, there are internships with Altium and largely there are internships with the Renaissance
Yes.
as well. There's job opportunities for these students at Renesas. One of the other things that we're doing is what we call our Women's Scholarship Program,
Okay.
because we're very concerned with gender imbalance out there. There's a lot more men in the engineering field than women in the engineering field.
That's
So we have a Women's Scholarship Program where we teach women how to use Altium Designer in our instructor-led 24-hour course. So that really gives them a leg up when they're going out into industry.
Well,
Yeah.
that sounds really,
Yeah.
really cool. And well, I wish
Yeah.
you all the best.
Thank you very much.
And I hope to hear real solid outcomes coming
Yeah,
out
yeah,
of
we'll follow up with
Altium
you on.
Renesas company.
Yeah, we will follow up with you.
All right.
Thank you so much.